You are looking at a hyper-rare, literal work of art on the wrist, the Patek Philippe Calatrava reference 5077P-035 Canards Mandarins. It's part of Patek's legendary rare handcrafts collection. Housed in a heavy 38mm platinum case, it features an ultra-thin, beautifully finished caliber 240 automatic movement. But what makes it a holy grail? It was sold completely factory sealed, untouched by human hands since 2009. Look at that detail. This stunning depiction of mandarin ducks is created entirely using Cloisonné Enamel. Master artisans hand-shape microscopic ribbons of gold wire to outline the design, fill the cells with crushed glass enamel, and fire it in a kiln at insane temperatures multiple times. The result? A vibrant, permanent miniature painting that catches the light like nothing else on earth. Would you choose a hype sports watch or a rare handcraft piece like this masterpiece? Drop your comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more deep dives into the absolute pinnacle of elite watchmaking. I'll see you in the next one.